bring them over. And guys, good job. He's making sure his is punched out. That lets the air circulate better, makes it go higher. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go sideways. Wait till she says ready.
Whenever you're ready, let's go. If I can put ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze it like this.
Oh, that was good.
That was sweet.
So the camera can see. Tell us when you're ready, Hunter.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good job.
That was cool. And now to do it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, good.
It's gonna triple.
Guys, let's stay in our seat. Hunter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks so much. Good job. All right, Aiden.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, good job.
Mama. That was really cool. 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then we just press really hard together, because if you do this, you're losing some energy and momentum. All right, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, guys, I think it does a little bit better if you hold on.